family service of the Roanoke Valley. Speaking of family service, coming up is the Family Service VIP Dinner, which is an amazing fundraiser that Family Service puts on every year that I'm humbled to be a part of every year. And it's all in the name of raising money for this amazing organization. They offer incredible mental health services and family support services right here in the Roanoke Valley. They help people navigate the complicated doctor's office and legal system, get their family back on track and really make a difference for themselves and the community. And I am raising money alongside one of my best friends, Madison Van Dyne. So we could really use your help. Go to the link in the bio or just fsrv.org and find Maddie and I's page. The link's right here, the link's down below. We have a goal of $2,000. I think we're sitting at about $400 or $500 right now. So it'd be really, really cool if we could get to that number. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone at Family Service in the Roanoke Valley. Again, I'm honored to be a part of it, and help me out. This is my one push a year that I try to make a difference in the community, and thank you.